Alright, so in this lesson, we're going to learn how to draw pretty lips from the 3/4 view. And I think this is probably the hardest thing to learn, and I see that this is the part it seems that people struggle with the most. Lips in general, not just lips from 3/4 view, but lips from the front view or any view. So if you feel like you're just not making progress, just take your time with it. Now the first thing, let's just go over the fundamentals of lips from the 3/4 view. We already know them from the front view and side view. If we take this lip here, I'm gonna erase it this way by using the same color. I will use that line right there. So what happens then is when you're drawing the lips, I'll use a color. Imagine you have this line still, the same line that you had before when we're drawing the front view. However, there's this curved line right here on the face. This makes up where the mouth fits into. And it's important to show it this way. This right here being that center division of the lip. So what happens in 3/4 view is you can see this whole side of the lip here is visible, and so it looks like the front view. But the other lip looks kind of like almost a side view of the lip. You're not really seeing it scrolling around in space. I'll show this in God's studio so you can see kind of what it looks like as it goes around. You kind of see the video where we go into that. That middle piece here, so this is the middle section right here. We have that section. We have the other section back here, but it's being foreshortened, and so you only see part of it like this. Now the bottom part of the lip we know comes off that, and we typically have this shape right here. It's kind of like a W shape that happens, but like a sideways W shape, like this. That happens when you have the lips like this in 3/4 view, because you have that two parts of the lip here. This is the center line right here. You have this section you can see. You have that bubble up there that you can see going off into space. If you keep this right here in mind, you'll find it much easier to draw lips in 3/4 view. Now the other thing happens is when the mouth is open. Now there's different ways to draw sexy lips in the 3/4 view. Typically, what I do what I like to do when I draw lips in 3/4 view is get them good size upper lip here and a good size bottom lip here. Get that down, then everything else is kind of fall into place. I just hint at some of this. Sometimes I even hint at a slight open mouth, and there you have it. Now you have a cute mouth from the 3/4 view. Another thing you do is actually draw the mouth open, which looks really good too. Let's go ahead and go back to here. If we draw the mouth open a little bit, all we have to do is imagine how it's wrapping around in space and what that looks like. So what I like to do is I like to draw the mouth open first. So I'm going to kind of draw right about here where the mouth's going to be open. This is a little line. That's how wide I want the mouth to be open. Then I draw that upper part of the lip here. That's that middle section of the lip. And then I know that the lip comes down and connects to this line here. Next is how do I want this bottom part to be represented. I like to kind of draw the lip through like this. Draw that center line coming down here. Imagine that center line. This is the center part of the lip, and then come back into space over here. So the lip connects. I don't connect the full lip, like so. And then where this line is coming down here, I like to come down a little bit further and show this line like so. Now we have this type of mouth is going to be like right about here, like this. I only see a little bit of them. Now if the person is facing like slightly down, look here, come down, all this is going to be the same. Pull it here, have just a little bit of a slight open look here, and come like this, and maybe just kind of hit that, the lines just a little bit like that. Having this kind of look right here makes for a sexy mouth. You might not want to do the square, and if you don't want to do the square, then do let's get the square here. But we still want to have a mouth like kind of like that. Here's an example of a mouth that's open. Some things people want to have this line overlaps here, and then that's for this upper piece. Then you have the line that comes down. That creates that whole part of this side of the lip. Now this side of the lip is being foreshortened, and so we can actually show that by coming down like that, coming up right here. Right? Now the bottom lip, I like to, again, imagine the line is at an angle because it helps you draw it better because it actually starts over here. If you draw it straight up and down like this, you're going to end up drawing a mouth like that and it's not going to look right. So remember that full line is coming at an angle, that's where everything is falling into place. So that's where you have your center of the lip there, and here. And I kind of curve it up that way. If you want to draw the teeth, you can. And sometimes I want to draw the teeth fully connecting, just like that right there. You can draw some of the bottom teeth here as well, kind of just create space. All this should be locked in dark, or you don't have to make it dark, it's up to you. I like to just start right about here and then leave that line kind of blank and blank over here as well. Maybe draw a couple of lines. And voila, now you have the mouth to first view. And it's really, in that, having a mouth slightly like that is that pretty look you want to go for. Now of course there might be times when the person is yelling or screaming, or the person is just talking, you want to just have open mouth like in dialogue, you can do that as well. The one that I like to draw sometimes is that kind of shush mouth, that's what I call it. And so to draw that, you just, you can look at different references to get an idea of what that shush look looks like when you yourself in the mirror. But I'll give you a simple example of how you can draw it, and it makes it something common looks. So I first focus on this middle part here that kind of makes this shush sound right here. Now remember, the lips are being overlapped right here. So that's overlapping right here. So I'm drawing it into the first view. Come down, I like to really show that by coming down more like this, and then that way the mouth is shorter. And then sometimes I can draw that piece right here like that. So having this kind of shape right here already starts to kind of form that shush look to it. Remember that line coming like this? Draw that center part of the lip here, and then the other center part coming here. Now I like to just kind of leave that part blank up there, coming down and around like so. If you have something like this line right here, and this line right here sells that idea that they're kind of doing that shush look. You can just kind of put some black here. It works great, like when you can use all kinds of facial expressions like this, like whatever, and you can use your eyes to kind of fit that kind of whatever love for it. You can use it to where just literally shushing someone. You can use it trying to make that smell, like the whole thing on Instagram, everyone wants to talk about themselves for their photographs. Maybe she's like doing that, maybe she's looking at herself, taking a selfie or something. Now, another thing you might do in comic books is make your characters talking in mid-sentence. So, and what I like to do sometimes is I like to really show their emotions, but Sometimes I just want to show them that, hey, you know, the person is talking and they have their kind of mouth open a little bit. An easy way to draw a mouth open is very similar to what we just did a second ago, but you want to make it a little bit more open. So start with that middle line. Again, I always like to start with this part of the lip right here. This is that center part of the lip. And I like to come down, showing the overall shape that I'm drawing here. From there, I'm going to draw the part that's going to be open and that's being foreshortened. Like so. I'm going to actually draw that line coming down a little more like this because the lip's being stretched a little bit. Now, because the mouth's being open here, there's a little piece of skin that usually happens right here. You don't have to represent that. You can actually just have all this kind of one piece here, which looks cool as well. But that main middle piece, this is the inner line here, is what you want to make sure is correct. It looks kind of like that. So now the person looks like they have their mouth open. Remember the teeth? The teeth force feet look like this, the mouth open. Part of it like that. That's the tail like that. Like we'll see some of the bottom teeth. Remember, they're coming back in space here. They're wrapping around, and then you'll see like that's the teeth right there, the bottom teeth. So you're only going to see, if you see any teeth at all, you're going to see a little bit of these bottom teeth here, like the molars. A little bit of these front teeth here. And if I ever draw the bottom teeth, usually don't in comic books. Unless it's like really up close, so you want to show that detail. Everything else can be kind of shaded like that. And then you have the mouth open and right in the middle and top here. I like to actually make my bottom lip bigger. So I'll go ahead and make this lip a little bigger here. Now right now, you know, I didn't really draw the chin, as that mouth opened a little bit, so I could draw the chin down just a little bit further. So I could take this line right here. I can draw this whole entire chin down just a little bit farther. Then you just don't foreshorten the other side of the lip too much. I'll show you anything by that. So let's say she wasn't really turned that much right now. And maybe you'll hear more like this. This is where the center was. You would have this part lip would be normal. This part lip is going to be foreshortened, but not as much. So you'll have that center part here. You're going to still have this part. You're kind of, they'll see the edge of the lip here, like that, and come out like so. So it's still foreshortened. The side is still shorter than the other side, but it's not foreshortened as much. And you can still see the actual point here, and you only have a little bit of that kind of shape going on like that. And if you want, you can kind of have her lips slightly parted. Another way to do it is just have a very, very slight look like that right there. You can also just have, just a slight open hole there as well. Right, so there it is. That's pretty much everything you need to know, the fundamentals of drawing lips. From that point, it's just a matter of learning different kinds of expressions and facial expressions and things like that. I have other courses where I go more in depth into facial expressions, like Discover How to Draw and Paint Comics. There's a whole section on drawing heads and faces from different angles and different emotions and how to draw different emotions and things like that. Now, as a request, I might later add onto this course a couple free bonus ones with up-to-date drawing of emotions. So go ahead and leave comments in this particular lecture and let me know, hey, I would like to see some bonus materials and bonus lectures in this course showing you modern techniques, my modern techniques of how to draw emotions and comics and stuff. And a lot of it is really about simplifying, so keep that in mind. Let's go back to her other mouth just because it doesn't fit this style. Not the style, doesn't fit the angle of the face right now. So here. And in fact, these exercises because I'm telling you, the lips, to me at least, are the hardest part to draw. They're my favorite part to draw as well, but especially in 3/4 view, to get them to look right takes a while to get it down. But if you take these basic ideas in mind and what it is you're simplifying, it makes it that much easier to draw them. And definitely want to check out that video where it shows, in the beginning of the section, the 3D model kind of showing it how everything looks. Look at the pay attention how the lips change